UC Santa Cruz offers a unique educational experience. Located in a redwood forest on the edge of the Pacific Ocean, our faculty cares deeply about educating students, and they bring their research insights into the classroom. Our proximity to San Francisco gives us a front row seat for developments in generative AI, and our faculty have deep connections to both traditional tech, Google, Apple, and others, and new generative AI companies that are being created every day. Our students have the ability to perform leading-edge research in collaboration with faculty in an overall environment that celebrates creativity and diversity. Students in game design at UC Santa Cruz learn a computer science curriculum and come out prepared for software engineering positions. Game design students learn multiple programming languages and have the ability to learn leading-edge techniques in game AI, generative AI, procedural content generation, interactive narrative, procedural music, and more. Our computer game design program has many outstanding qualities. For starters, we have amazing faculty. These faculty are leaders in games research in many areas, and we have more HEVGA fellows than any other game program on Earth, and UC Santa Cruz is #1 for technical games research. We also have amazing students, and our students have created many organizations around games. We have 3 game development clubs on campus, in addition to our esports team, which is competitive at a national and international level. Our Early Design Experiences program provides students in the first 2 years with a taste of engineering, designing, building, evaluating, and iterating on the design of some artifact. Early Design Experience course topics include virtual reality, rocket design, 3D CAD and 3D printing, electronics design, ethical cybersecurity hacking, web application design, and more. Our Pathways to Research program allows students to learn about ongoing research within vascular engineering and then to participate in a faculty member's research lab. We have hundreds of students participating in authentic research each quarter, and our students regularly publish research papers and then travel to international conferences to present the results. Our Capstone program has students working in teams on a 2-quarter-long project. In the Games program, this involves students working together to make a polished, functional game. UC Santa Cruz has a special combination of research excellence, dedication to undergraduate education, and a commitment to social transformation, which underlies our broader teaching culture. UC Santa Cruz students come to campus wanting to change the world, and they will, and they do. Come join us.